Welcome to ClickAlgo Xen. This is your AI assistant for building cTrader trading tools. You can create automated strategies, custom indicators, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins, all without writing code. Let's get started. Okay, this video today, I'm going to explain about projects with ClickAlgo Xen. Now, as you're building automated trading system indicators, plugins, or any other trading tool using ClickAlgo Xen, you really want to save your project as you're going along. So if you're spending 1 hour creating the project and then you find that, for some reason your PC crashes or something turns off, or you just turn off, you close the browser, you've lost all the work that's been done. So the whole idea is that as you're working on the project, you want to save it as a project. Okay. So you just click on the projects folder, and you type in the project name, the description, and save it. Now we've got a pre-existing project that we've developed previously, so we've saved this version here, so we can come back to it at any point. You can start ClickAlgo Xen, click on here, and it will actually reload in the code that you were working on last time, plus a description of what was changed and the next steps. So you can carry on working on it as you're going along. It's a very useful feature for building multiple projects at the same time. And what I'll do is just give you a quick demonstration. So if I go to build an automated trading system and I type build an SMA cBot, very basic. So simple moving average cBot, it will go away and build that simple moving average cBot. So I want to start with the baseline robot to start with. And then each time that I do that, I want to save the project and then carry on working on it and saving it. So now it's built the project here. It's come back with the code for building a simple moving average trading strategy. What I want to do is verify the build is okay. If the build is okay and there's no bugs in it, I'm going to save this as a project, and then I can come back to it at a later date at any time. So what I'm going to do now is go to projects. I'm actually going to type in SMA baseline project. Okay, so I'm just going to put starter project. So I'm just typing, you can type a notes that you want to do. I'm now going to save this. And it's actually saved my simple moving average baseline project here. So if I clear the task, once you clear the task, that's it, the code is gone. So if you ever do click on the task button, you've lost it. This is why projects is very useful. So I might come back to this a week later, another project that I was working on. I can just click on the projects tab, click on this here, and actually load in the last bit of code that I was working on, and I can carry on doing it. Now, one of the things to be aware of is if you are going to download the algo file and you send that algo file to cTrader, you publish it to cTrader, the algo file does not have the source code, so you won't have it saved there. So it's a good idea to always save the project and also save the download the CS file here. So you can download the C# file onto your hard drive, so you'll have the code saved. You can also copy the code and paste it somewhere else. And you can also save the project here and do it that way. So just to recap again, if you download the algo file into cTrader, it doesn't publish it with the code, so you need to back up the code as you go along. Projects are very useful for having multiple projects on the go, and you can go back to where you left off and you can start adding features, tweaking it, and doing what you want. Now, again, if you've got a project in cTrader already and you want to carry on working on the previous project, you can just work on previous project here. You can click on existing cBot, and here you can just paste in your code of the code that you were working on previously. So that's just a video showing you a bit about projects. That's what I want to show you today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.